So look at you. No self-doubt at all. Look at that. Autonomous level 100, right? Baby, you look so good on that. I mean, you can't reach the pedals, obviously. But Daddy likes the fact that you're willing to try new things. When you want to go play with the other kids now? Go with your cousins? Huh?
Yeah.
Yep, there they are. Let's go. Careful there. Tell you what, Skylar, why don't we go this way? There you go. You gotta catch up to them because they want to have a Nerf war. You get your gun? Huh? Oh, well, I don't really think that's a Nerf gun.
That's mine.
We'll get you one. Come on, let's find your Nerf gun. Come on, let's go. What are they doing? Huh? Look at Cam. You see him?
I was Senegal.
He's hiding. You know where he's hiding from?
It's inside.
Jasmine. Right in the face. Camden, that was a great shot, my man. Boys against girls. But Skylar doesn't count. So basically everyone against Jasmine. That's the game we're playing. Everybody hates Jasmine! I'm just kidding, Jasmine. Did you seriously just throw that in her face? I need you to put that lightsaber down and go to timeout for 7 minutes. Cause bro, you extra.
Why you gotta be so extra? Why you gotta be so
Shut it, you'll be joining him. 7 minutes, my man. I'll come get you. If Nana asks why, it's cause you're extra.
Big boy panties.
Is that what I do? I was just complaining to Cannon about how, like, when your side of your head starts to sweat and the glasses, you got to work harder to keep them on your face, and how it starts to give you a headache. And he basically told me, sack up. Thank you for making me feel like a total wuss. Big boy panties. At least we don't have skid marks in ours. I saw Nana folding your underwear the other day. I was like, damn, looked like took your underwear to NASCAR. Bro, there's so much poop. It was so nasty.
Wait, got booty crumbs.
Ugh. Ugh, what the hell did you just call it?
Booty crumbs.
Oh my god, bro. I can't even, bro. I'm about to throw up. You're sicko.
Sicko. Be careful, Melida.
What?
It's yours.
Yeah, I know. That's a bow and arrow.
It was tissue.
You want to shoot that?
Yeah.
Well, that's going to be hard for you to shoot, love. Why don't we get you a pistol instead?
Here you go.
It's a good thing this isn't just audio extraction, because that would be weird. Why don't we just get you a Glock? See, that goes in the gun, baby.
Guys, here you go.
Go get the gun from Candace so you can shoot it.
Do you sign the pistol? Here. I missed. Here you go.
All right, now shoot Camden. Say thank you, Camden, and shoot him.
Captain, why in the Why in the vagina?
Right in the what?
I said, why in the nut?
What?
No, mind.
Okay. I think you mean right in the mangina.
Yeah.
My man. You gotta pull really
I
hard
said
on
mine
this.
in the angina.
Camden has a mangina. Camden has a
Double.
mangina.
Look. You gotta pull really hard.
What? That's crazy.
You want me to shoot really far?
Oh my God, we're not gonna be able to find that.
Even I know. Even I see it.
Here you go.
Well, then go get it then.
No.
Then shut up.
Oh, let's see. Oh, I see.
If that's what you think a comeback is, then I feel sorry for you because you got a hard life ahead of you.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
You're the worst comebacker ever.
No.
God, you suck. No,
I wanna see
seriously.
you try a comeback. She used to just say, "Well, your head." Oh,
I know you are, but so am I. I know I am, but so,
I know what you are, but what am I?
Yeah, there you go.
I know you're a phone. That's
What's worse than that? Oh, I know.
Oh wait, you're cool. Cosplay. Oh wait, outside loser.
Your mom.
your mama.
This is the worst. And then you know what's even worse than that? When some dork
Your mama
goes,
jokes.
some dork has this response. Oh, my mom is dead actually. Even though, you know. Oh, come on, man. That's so lame. Get the hell out of here. You know, I never even cared if anyone made fun of my mom. I hated my mom. My mom was not a good person. She was,
Oh no, I never cared if anyone made fun of my dad. I'd be like, "Yep, you're right."
well, good.
Like if they call him an a-hole, I'm like, "Yep, you're right."
A what?
At school they say a-hole instead
I'm telling. Nana! I'm in the clubhouse.
Yes.
Oh, I call my wall. I call the wall.
You're coloring on the wall, huh?
Yeah.
Let me see.
So beautiful. You're like Van
Why
Gogh.
did you do
Van
that
Gogh.
now?
Look at this man. He knows his artists. Homo!
Daddy, I think
I'm
it's
just kidding.
James.
Now
don't get
that
this
right
sweater
there,
that
man,
you stole
Skylar,
from me.
that is beautiful, and you know I couldn't draw anything better.
That could go on me too.
Mom threw it away because it was too. I couldn't fit on me. So,
What did she throw away? Her list of morals?
no, my dog Vader, so that talks.
Self-respect?
I'll break the law.
Law.
I got the law. I got the law.
No.
Dignity? She took that shit to
Pride.
the dog! I'm just kidding. Actually, I'm not, but yeah.
Daddy,
What?
did that.
What? What? Oh my God, you know what I just realized? I'm over here playing something that I used to like in like junior high. And I'm like, yeah, we're jamming out. And I just realized I'm like the old guy playing stuff you guys don't care about. Oh man, you hear that, bestie? This isn't good, man. Before I know it, I'll be putting Ben Gay on all my joints. Hey, bestie, look at me. I've got 4 kids. And I feel like a Mormon. The only thing I'm missing is the extra wife. Yeah, look at that. Look at Skylar. She's loving this. Yeah. We went the cool way. We went the fun way. Hey, bestie. I'm trying to convince Skylar to take a ride in the cart.
You wanna go?
She wasn't having it, but I think she wants to ride now. You want to get in the cart? Come on, join me. It's fun. You love it. Everyone wants to ride now. You see, I popularized it. Is that a word? I can't believe she's still on the edge about this. Everyone wants to get a cart for her. Else to do it with her, but here we are. Okay,
Oh, this is nice.
this is awesome.
This is awesome.
We're going to Little Caesars and to get some fireworks for New Year's Eve.
And then we're going to Buttland.
Anyway, Skylar, as you can see here, she is a little diva. See that? She had to have a hot dog. She couldn't wait for Little Caesars. But it's Nathan's all beef. Don't worry. Paid a whole $1.25 for it. She's good. So I'm waiting at Little Caesars, and this is fucking awesome. This guy comes in there, and he has like 4 pizzas. He has a look on his face. You can tell he's gonna be a dick, right? He sets it on there. He's like, I have all these pizzas and not one of them doesn't have any sauce. And she's like, what? He's like, I ordered something with no sauce. She's like, okay, that could have been the end of it, right? He could have dropped it. He wants a pizza with no sauce. Okay, great. No, what's he do? My daughter's allergic to sauce. Why even say that? Like, I mean, like they care. Oh, I'm so sorry. I mean, you're gonna keep that going? You keep riding that camel all day? Oh yeah, my daughter, she can't have sauce. She would die. And then how would you feel, huh? Because you don't care about your job, where you sell $5 pizzas and make nothing. Why do people gotta be so extra?
No, I was talking about people. I'm going to tell you a story about people who are extra. So we came here once to get pizza, and we find out, we go to the little thing, and it's like, and they're like, can we get a cheese pizza and a little bit? And then the manager, who's like the manager that day, they were like, okay, that'll be a minute. And then we park, and then we wait, and she comes out.
Oh man, that's a good one. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought she was gone.
And she comes out, and she's like, oh, sorry, some lady called the cops because she didn't get her pizza, because her pizza was 1 minute late.
All right, here we are. We got some fireworks. We got a really cool deal. I got they're called Fat Cats, right? I remember they're cool, and it's basically buy one get one free. So that was a good deal. And then Skylar, she picked this out. This cool pack here. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna let her light all of it by herself. I'm just kidding. And then Jasmine's got 2 Roman candles, and he's got the other Fat Cat. The Roman candles were for free, by the way. All I had to do was like something on Facebook. And of course, you know, as soon as I sit down, I'm gonna unlike it. But I got 2 free Roman candles, so awesome. Jasmine, James, I'm just kidding. Hey, bestie.
Hey.
We're just hanging out, and not you.
Oh, no.
You're cool though, man, but we're not that cool. You're not my bestie. Not yet. Sorry to take it, sorry. But anyways, here we are playing Call of Duty. We're waiting for Skylar to get tired and go to sleep so we can all watch Dark Phoenix. We did get it. We're gonna watch it. It's gonna be awesome. You can watch it too on Amazon. Love you.